Today we are doing another Amy Lee makeup tutorial that was requested in my DMs on Instagram. I took this picture and then I found the original. So I'm going to be using the original because I can see what's going on there with the colors a little bit better. So this is what I think it looks like, and we're gonna recreate it. Use the Warrior 2 palette, which is a black. I just needed the black, so a matte black eyeshadow. ColourPop Plush Like Me palette, but I just used this tone right here, which is kind of like a purple. It looks kind of plum. It's sort of like a plum, matte plum tone. The shimmery one right here. A liquid eyeliner. This one is from Milani that I got because I wanted to try something else. A retractable eyeliner. This one is from Wet n Wild in black. And a mauve tone blush. A red lip liner. Mascara. Of course, concealer or eye primer, whichever you want to use. This lip balm over the lip liner to have that reddish tone that she is wearing. A pointed blending brush, it's kind of pointed, medium sized, and a smaller one. A small shadow brush and a pointed detail brush, and this tapered brush that I use for blush brush. So these are the brushes. Applying the concealer all over the eyelid. A little bit underneath as well. And I am wearing, the contacts I'm wearing today are Trinity Gray. Starting with the plum and the pointed blending brush on the outer corner like that. And working it inward as I go. And a little bit out as well. So just blend and keep it right here. We're gonna bring it in a little bit. Okay, so with whatever's left, we're just going to work it in here. Going in again, applying a little more just to make sure it stays kind of intense here. And next, with the small blending brush into the same plum, I'm going to go on the outer corner and then squint your eye and bring it all the way down underneath. And all the way into the inner corner. Now I'm going into the Warrior 2 palette, and we're going to use the black and a small blending brush. And the black again on the outer corner right next to this plum, but not covering it, and just pat it on. And just blend. Applying more. And now again with the small shadow brush, we're going to go into the black again. I'm brushing it down. And with this, we're going to blend it. Now back with the other blending brush, and we're going to blend to make sure this doesn't look too sharp and it's like diffused and stuff. Into the black with this small brush, and we're just going to pat it right here to really darken this area. I really can't see what is going on in her eyelids, so I'm guessing. Because she is tilted and looking up, and it's hard. All I can see is like this. So I really don't know what's going on the actual eyelid. This is what it looks like. And now with the small blending brush, I'm blending the black. Retractable liner. I'm going to go into the waterline, and I'm going to go inside the inner corner as well. And lining underneath. That'll help keep this area really dark. We're taking the liquid eyeliner and just lining right along the lash line. Very thin line, and then I did do like a little flick up like that to make it kind of look like an eyelash. Using the detail brush, we're going to go into this shimmery shade right here, which she is wearing right in here, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and apply the blush before I do mascara. And her blush was placed right along here. So I'm just going to go like this. Just sweep it on. Mascara. And we're doing the bottom lashes first. A lot of mascara underneath. We're getting close to the root and then brushing them out. And doing the top lashes, and again getting as close as you can to the root and then pulling out and up. Wiggle it right in there. Now we're going to do the lips, and I'm just going to line. And I'm going to apply this with my finger because it doesn't have an applicator, it's just a little tube like paint. That is the finished look. I hope you like it, recreate it. Yeah, this is what I think. I don't know, telling by the tone of the picture, it looked like it had some plum in there. It could be brown with a tint, I don't know. So, yeah, this is what I think she had on. I hope you like it. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed for more tutorials to come in the future. Oh yeah, and I'm never doing that vertical record thing again. You know, I was going to do it because I thought I was going to be able to put it on TikTok and fill the screen, but once I edit it, it just changes the size and it does not work. So, horizontal forever. And as always, guys, rock on. I don't know why the lipstick always feels like it's too much.